Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Monday, October 7th of 2019, to the start of a great week here at Perry Elementary. For students, it is only a 4-day week, so you only have school Monday through Thursday this week, students, and then you got a 4-day week next week, because Monday you will have off too. So Friday and Monday, students, you will be off. Teachers, you have to come on Friday still. Sorry about that. But you do have to have that happen. All right, for today's announcements to kick off the week, we do have a bus evacuation drill happening today. So teachers, just follow your schedule for when that is occurring. We do have some birthdays to announce. So happy birthday to Michael Doherty and Isaiah Salinas and Matthew Shepard, whose birthday is actually today. So happy birthday to all of you guys. And I hope all of you wore your blue today, so to stomp out bullying, to blue up. So hopefully I see a whole bunch of sea of blue today here at Perry. Our lunch choices today are chicken tenders with cookie, mini corn dog, or sun butter and jelly. And today our pause samples are brought to us by our first grade students in Mrs. Manelli's class.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause. So to follow our expectations, we have some students here to review those with us.
No throwing food in the cafeteria. No kicking. No pushing.
Thank you guys very much.
Awesome job, thank you. And remember, boys and girls, before we do our moment of silence, that you can still make your posters yet to stop bullying, and the best posters, we will look into having those permanently displayed here at Perry. So take your time. You do have most of the month, actually about 3 weeks to kind of complete it. So it's not something, it's a race to get it done. So take your time to do it. And best ones I will have framed and hang throughout the building. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and we have 3 students here from first grade in Mrs. Manally's class to help out with the pledge. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great day and a great week. And remember, stop out bullying, and so hopefully all of you have your blue on, so I'll be looking to see who does. Have a great day.